Ever stared longingly at that new gadget, that fancy restaurant, or that dream vacation, only to be met by the cold reality of your bank account balance? We've all been there. But what if I told you there was a way to unlock the full potential of your spending, a way to stretch your naira further and finally say yes to those things you deserve? That's where FavePay comes in, a revolutionary mobile payment platform that's changing the game in Nigeria. With FavePay, you can ditch the hefty fees and hidden charges of traditional banks and say hello to a world of smarter spending. But here's the thing, not all cards are created equal, and choosing the right one to pair with your FavePay account can make a world of difference. So, before you dive headfirst into the world of FavePay, let's take a step back and answer the burning question: which card should you use with FavePay? The FavePay Power Couple, understanding your options. FavePay prides itself on offering flexibility, and that extends to the cards you can link to your account. Here are the two main contenders. Debit cards, these are the trusty workhorses of the financial world. You spend what you have in your account, keeping things simple and transparent. Credit cards, these offer a bit more freedom, allowing you to spend beyond your current balance and repay it later. However, with this freedom comes the responsibility of managing credit wisely and avoiding interest charges. The debit card advantage, peace of mind spending. Let's talk about debit cards first. They're a fantastic option for those who prefer to stay in control of their finances. Here's why they shine with FavePay. No overspending. Since you're limited to the funds in your account, there's no risk of racking up debt or surprise charges at the end of the month. It's a great way to stick to a budget and avoid impulse purchases. Instant rewards. Many debit cards offer instant cashback or reward points on purchases. With FavePay on top, you can potentially stack these rewards, maximizing your savings with every transaction. Security. Debit cards often come with strong security features like chip and PIN technology, reducing the risk of fraud. The allure of credit cards, rewards, and perks galore. Now, let's shift gears and talk about credit cards. These can be a powerful tool if used responsibly, offering a range of benefits that debit cards can't match. Building credit. Using a credit card and paying your balance on time can significantly improve your credit score, which opens doors to better loan rates and financial opportunities in the future. Rewards and perks. Credit cards often come loaded with attractive rewards programs, offering cashback, travel points, discounts, and even insurance benefits. Paired with FavePay's own promotions, you could be looking at serious savings. Purchase protection. Some credit cards offer purchase protection in case of damage, theft, or returns, adding an extra layer of security to your transactions. So, debit or credit? The ultimate showdown. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best card for you depends on your individual financial habits and goals. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Choose debit if you prefer to stay in control of your spending and avoid debt. You prioritize instant rewards and security features. Choose credit if you're a responsible spender looking to build credit and reap the benefits of rewards programs. You value purchase protection and added security. Pro tip: don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of FavePay is its flexibility. You can link both a debit and credit card to your account and use them strategically. For everyday purchases, use your debit card to stay within your budget. But for larger purchases where you can leverage rewards points or need purchase protection, your credit card might be the better option. Just remember to pay your credit card balance on time to avoid interest charges. Remember, knowledge is power. Do your research on the different debit and credit cards available in Nigeria. Compare interest rates, annual fees, and reward programs to find the cards that best suit your needs. Don't hesitate to consult with your bank or financial advisor for personalized recommendations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy FavePaying.